This is part 16 of payroll management software. Today we'll create total salary details report. Okay, first we'll create report form. Under this report form folder, add new Windows form. Okay, your form name will be form salary detail or salary report. Okay, click add. First change this name salary report. Okay, now I need label and then combo box. I need button. This label text will be year, and then second label will be month. This combo box name will be CMB year. This combo box name will be CMB month. Button view, and then text will be view. Okay, now we'll add items in this year combo box. Edit items 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020. Click OK. Now in this month combo box we should add 12 months: February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Click OK. Now we need to add crystal report viewer. Okay, I don't want this group tree here, so click this small icon, change this to none. Okay, okay, now save this. We'll call this form from form main. Okay, go to form main. Under reports we'll add salary report. Okay, double click this one. Your form name, form salary report. Okay, now we need to create reports. Under this reports folder, right click, add new item, select reporting. Okay, your salary report, salary. Okay, add, select as a blank report, click OK. Yeah, in the report header we should add reports header for this report file. Okay, before that change the page setup. Right click, go to design page setup. By default page option is letter is selected, change this to A4. Click OK, then right click, insert text object. Okay, edit text, total salary report. Okay, format object, go to font tab. Here change this to bold and font size will be 12. Click OK. Okay, in page header First, we should display year and month. Then we will display, go to employee salary process table. Here we have employee ID, year, month, and then net salary. Okay. Along with that, we should display employee name. Okay. For that, first, here right click, insert text object. Here this will be here, and then second, edit text object. This will be month. Okay. Now we'll add header for this page, serial number, employee ID, then employee name, I think year and month we will display here. It will be fine. Okay. Year, then month, then net salary. Okay. Select all. Right click, format multiple objects. Here go to font tab. Change this style to bold and the size will be 11. Click OK. Okay, now in detail section we should add data from SQL table. Okay, for that, first in data set we should add the table. Okay, go to server explorer here. Here expand this database, expand tables. Here we have salary process. Just drag this here. Okay, now save this data set and close it. Okay, go to salary report. Here field explorer, right click database export. Here right click this project data, refresh, expand this one ado.net datasets. Now we have salary process, add this, and we need employee table. Okay, click OK, click OK. Then here for serial number we should add record number field. From special field, add this record number. Right click, format object, go to common tab. Yes, in horizontal alignment change this to left. Click OK. Now employee ID, drag it from salary process table. This is also default alignment, so format object number and then common tab, change this horizontal alignment to left. Click on OK. Now we'll display employee name from employee table. Year from salary process. Finally we'll add net salary. Okay, format object, it should be float also. Okay, select this one, click OK. Okay, now save this. In report footer will display total net salary. Okay, for that Here edit text, total salary. Here click this net salary column, right click, go to insert running total. Here running total name, you can specify any name. I just keep it as it is. Remove this field heading here. Okay, expand this one and format object. Okay, click OK. Sorry, it should be a left alignment. Go to common horizontal alignment, change this to left alignment. Click OK. Okay, now right click fit section. Right click this one, fit section. Click this main report preview. Our report looks like this. If you want lines, you can add this, add it here. Go to toolbox, select line object. Okay, drag the line here. Okay, select line object again. Okay, here select right click this one, format object. It should be dotted line. Click OK. Now save this. Here we can display the printer date. Insert text object, printer date. Right click, insert special field, print date. Expand this one and format object. By default it's in short format. Change this to this one and click this customize. Here change this order to second one, day, month, year. Click OK. Okay, now our report is ready. Okay, now in employees form salary report, we'll write code for this view button. Okay, before that, yeah, I want to change this drop down style. Go to properties, here drop down style, change this to drop down list. Okay, now I just copy this report document line. Yeah, I just add it. We must add namespace for this report document to use crystal reports.engine. Okay, in button view main, here I just copy these lines and pasting here. Here our first we are loading the report file from our reports folder, which is belongs to payroll, mini payroll projects. That's our project name. Okay, here our report name is salary. Okay, then we'll call this connection class function, which is declared public. Then we are declaring dataset object dst. Then we are fetching details from employee table. Employee table we are using to display employee name. Okay, then here we are using salary process table. In salary process, in where condition, year equal cmb year dot text and month equal cmb month dot text. Okay, here change this table name. Okay, first we are fetching data from this SQL query. That fetched data will fill in the dataset object dst. Here we are using two tables. Finally, we are assigning report document this object. That set data source will be this dataset object. Then crystal report viewer that we are using here. Okay, that's report source will be that script report document object. Okay, save this. Let's start the application. Click login. Here go to reports, salary report. Okay, here select year and then month name will be June. Click this view button. Our report is generated. Here heading is total salary report. Here we have the print date. Here we have header for this report file, serial number, employee ID, employee name, year, month and net salary. Okay, finally in footer we are displaying total salary. Okay guys, I hope this video is helpful to you. See you there in next video.